from out of the sky. Eggshells. No need to ask why. Come on. And open your eyes. It's raining eggshells. Yum, yum. Fluffy's like, that's way too much eggshells.
We need more eggshells.
You finished it all?
Yeah, we almost.
Oh my goodness, it's gonna take her like 10 minutes to finish all that. Okay, when you put it down, sing the song. Ning eggshell. Jake, don't put it on her feather. It's okay, sweetie. Just shake it off, baby. Shake it off. Good girl. So now we gotta eat more eggs. Okay, so what you do is when you boil the egg and you peel it off.
Or when we crack it.
Yeah.
I got drowned.
No.
They're like, yum, so much yum.
Yum, 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 yum.
Okay. Let's pet him. Let's pet him.
Her.
Stomp.
But if you stomp on it, she can't eat it anymore. It's too small.
How can I hold him?
It's too small for her to pick up with her beak.
He's biting me.
Don't be afraid. She's good.
Wait. Hold him, Jake. Hold him.
Hi, sweetie.
Can I pet him in the head?
Just be gentle, okay? It's a her.
To touch your...
Good girl, baby.
Oh, yeah. No, he's not letting you pet him. You have to pet it on the back.
Didn't she get chub chub? She got chub chub, right?
Wait, let's break the flower. This is her bottom. Here, have some flour.
She doesn't eat flowers.
He does. He does.
She's like, can you stop stepping on my eggshells?
Scrunch, scrunch. Wait, can we play with the fireworks upstairs?
The what?
The fireworks thingy?
The fireworks?
Mhm.
Yeah, where is it? I don't know where it is, sweetie.
Let's go grab it. Jake, you want to come? No. So who wants to grab it? Not me. Yourself? Me? Not yourself. I'm gonna pick it up because it's on top of the fridge.
Wait, I don't have any more fireworks, honey.
This is my house. Ask your mom.
Yeah, ask your mom. Why would you get it?
Fluffy, slipper or eggshell?
Jake, did you just kick that at her?
No.
Do not do that to her.
Now I need...
Sorry, Fluffy. You can peck him if you want. Teach him a lesson.
Is that mice?
No, that's like fur ball or something that's been
Fluffy
flying
got
around.
a little bit chubby.
She did get chubby. I think the mealworms are getting her chubby
No,
too.
she didn't get chubby. It's just her wings. They extend and make her look fluff
Oh.
and chubby.
Well, that's why she's called Fluffy, right?
Yeah. I just took that name out of a book.
Yeah? You name all your pets, right?
Yeah. William's mom said it's already 9 o'clock. Then we have to sleep.
Okay. Well, don't worry. You don't have school anymore, so there's plenty of time to do things.
Fluffy!
Don't scare her while she's eating.
Okay, let me grab some flowers.
Excuse me. You know we grow those flowers and you're breaking them? No more. Don't break any more flowers. Jake, no more flowers. Don't break them. Okay?
Feed them the dead one.
She doesn't eat those, honey.
Oh yeah, I'm just feeding her dead ones.
Those aren't dead, sweetie. They just didn't open yet. Okay, no more taking the flowers.
Okay. Last time he ripped some on the floor. I remember that. Here, have some diamonds. No! That's what's going to kill her.
Good job. Fluffy, you ready to go up, honey? Get some water?
Chicken food. Okay. Not yet. Not yet, Jackson. We found chicken food.
Yeah, we fed that to her already.
I'm just going to get her a few. Can I have some also? Okay. Can I grab some in my hand?
No, just give her like 3, because we gave her like a whole handful already. These are just snacks.
Okay, I'll just give them like these and that's it. Oh, are these worms?
Just take a few, okay?
Are
Good
these
job.
worms?
Yeah, they're mealworms. Ew, you better not eat it. No, no. Yeah, give it to Fluffy. Oh, I don't even think she wants.
Ew, I bite it.
Put it
I
in there. She doesn't want.
actually bite it.
Don't bite it. These are
Gross.
mealworms, silly.
It was gross. You don't put them in the cage yet?
Not yet. We're gonna
Can
bring
I
her
help
up.
them beat them water?
Yeah, we're gonna give her water.
What kind of water?
The water that's in her cage.
Can I get her food?
I think she's stuffed.
I made a big boo-boo.
Fluffy. Oh, Fluffy. We don't need to see all that. What, sweetie? What is that? Yeah, go ahead. I need you to go get me the paper, the cleaning, the Lysol wipes. Wendy, can you get me the Lysol wipes, honey?
Boo. Take my slipper.
She's gonna take your toe. Thank you, honey.
Wait, can you help me open it?
Oh no, this is not food, sweetie. It's just Lysol wipes.
Help me open it here. Can you help me open it? No, the side. No. Brew, go back.
Hi, sweetie. Back clean your pooper. Bye, sweetie.
Mommy,
Yeah, baby.
they have to leave.
Okay.